My name is Sri Charan, studying in 7th standard.
I am Rochna of 8th standard from Ashtrix School of Robotics.
Arumbakkam. The theme of this project is cultivate India, which is used in military applications for navigating
Enemy points.
also in Land Rover as in space. The title of the project is Bluetooth Remote Control Car.
The components used are chassis, wheels, motors, motor driver, Bluetooth module, a battery holder, jumper wire, etc.
How it works. The heart of this project is Arduino. The mobile app gets signals from the mobile app sends signals to the Bluetooth module, and the Bluetooth module receives it and performs the signals that are forward, backward, left, and right.
We made this because we are curious of how remote control vehicles work. So we didn't use traditional RF controllers. We used Bluetooth and mobile app. This makes the car smart and more modern.
Let me show the quick demo of the project. I am opening the mobile app to control the car. Here is the demo. If I click forward button in the mobile app, it goes forward. If I click backward in the mobile app, it goes backward. If I click left, it goes left. If I click right, it goes right. This was brought to you by Sri Charan
And Rochna.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.